Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Well, this project is finished, and it is actually 1 year later. I finished this project 1 year ago this month. This is the Weatherables post and handrails. Let's do a little final walkthrough. See how everything turned out. These are the small porch posts and handrails. I really like the system that they have. The posts are nice and secure. The handrails turned out real nice. The repair of the aluminum around the opening of this archway turned out real good. Right there is where I had the damaged vinyl siding that I repaired. If you haven't seen that video, you may want to look that one up on my channel in case you have some damaged vinyl that you'd like to repair. This method makes a real nice sturdy repair that you cannot find. Looks like nothing ever happened when you're done. These posts, as I mentioned, they handle these things a little rough. I had at least a couple of hours of wet sanding to get those in shape. A couple of them were really bad. That end one down there, I wound up turning outside and then putting a downspout over the real bad area to cover it up. That turned out okay. These held up real well over the winter. Very happy with the way they performed. I had no bowing or buckling or yellowing of any kind. I didn't even use any detergent to clean these up. I just used this soft bristled brush and a hose with just plain water. That worked out real well. Everything looks good. On these brackets, as you may remember, instead of using this standard mounting bracket that comes with the handrails, I used a bracket that goes on stairway handrails. And that's because of the footprint here. It's just too small for the standard bracket. I would have had to cut back into the vinyl, which I certainly didn't want to do. But by substituting this mounting bracket from a stairway handrail, the footprint was perfect. It's nice and sturdy. You don't have to worry about it rocking or anything, because when you put two of them on there and it's mounted with two of the standard brackets on this side, and you have that toe post down there, it's quite sturdy. Nothing's going to go anywhere. Let's have a look at this other side. Everything turned out great. I'm very happy with the end result with these weatherable posts and handrails. And even though there was a little extra work sanding on these things, I am happy with the end result. I also had quite a bit of damage along the vinyl on this side, which I repaired. Turned out great. So these brackets have little buttons that go in and fill these, snap on and cover the screws there. These are little plugs that go in and cover the screws. Makes a real nice clean look. So I'm very happy with this Weatherables material. And it really dressed the place up nicely. So if you would like to get rid of those old handrails that you have to paint, I would highly recommend these Weatherable posts and rails. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I want to show you something else that I'm not affiliated with, but I have really liked this product, and I will link you to this, and I'll have some affiliate links for some of the other materials that I've used on this project down in the description. But some of this stuff I'm not affiliated with, and but I really like it. That is a vinyl cupola, and it has a metal roof. That's been up there about 10 years. I have not had to do a thing to it other than wash it off now and then. The Amish are famous for making beautiful handcrafted products. This is vinyl, and it's made by the Amish. So I think they're still in business. Last time I checked they were. And I will link you to that in case you need a cupola. I got tired of going up and scraping and painting that wooden cupola we started out with every year. And since I put that one up there, that ended that problem. So I appreciate you coming along on this project. This is John from fixitforgetit.com, and we will see you in the next video.